Introducing the ALPHA3 system. With the ALPHA3 system, hydronically balancing a two-pipe radiator system becomes incredibly fast and easy. The ALPHA3 system consists of an ALPHA3 pump, the Alpha Reader, and the Grundfos GO Balance app. Let's look at how easy it is. Start by downloading the Grundfos GO Balance app to your smartphone. Then install the ALPHA3 pump. Open the app and it will guide you step by step. Follow the easy setup instructions and attach the Alpha Reader to the pump. Before commencing balancing, the app must determine zero system flow and the maximum flow per radiator. To begin this, close all the thermostats in the house, also the ones for floor heating and any other heating components in the system. The app will now measure zero flow. Now you are ready to start the measurement process. Start with the first room in the house, the entrance for instance. Type in the data the app asks for, like the size of the room and the size and type of the radiators. Next, completely open the valves at both ends of the radiator. Where thermostatic valves are fitted, it is recommended that the control section is temporarily removed. The app now measures the flow and head for this radiator. Now completely close at least one valve on the radiator and proceed on to preparing the next room. You repeat this procedure with every room in the house. Next, the app measures the base flow. With the control valve remaining completely open, use the app to enable accurate adjustment of the lock shield valve. Once this process has been completed for the whole house, all radiators go from being unbalanced to being balanced. Finally, replace all thermostatic valve controls and set to the customer's original settings. When the hydronic balancing is done, the app will generate a report. The report includes full documentation for the balancing, as well as homeowner and installer details. You can quickly and easily sign it and either save the report or email it to your customer. Hydronic balancing, made fast and easy.